Hi, this is Sushil here. In the last video, I taught you about stat column compo chart. Now, in today's video, I'll be teaching you about Toronto. Yeah, it is also called as your butterfly chart. So you can just see the sample data. The sample data you can download from my description. Now, this type of graph, Toronto or butterfly chart, is used in case you have some data like this. For example, I've got some parts of computers and I've got two stores, store A and store B. Now store A wants 121 quantity of laptop and store B wants 98. Like suppose they have ordered 150 quantity. Out of that 150 quantity, they want store A wants 121 and store B wants 98. So if you want to do something like this, that time we use this type of graph, Toronto or butterfly chart. For example, if I keep my cell pointer over here, I'm just saying equal to because they are ordering 150. If the company is ordering 200 quantity, then you can write 200. I'm just saying equal to 150 minus this 121. That is store A. Enter. So that will give you the balance. That is 29. And if you drag it down, that's to get for the others. So same thing I have to try with the store B also. Equal to 150. Because I've written here 150, the same amount comes here also. Quantity comes here. 150 minus store B. Enter. So that will give you 52 and then again you drag it down. I should get it. And this is actually called as your padding actually. At the moment just write 45. This I'll explain to you later why I'm using 45. For the timing just type 45. Don't give more than 45 or less than 45 also. Just write 45, drag it. So once you've done this much, now we'll prepare the graph. Just click inside, press Ctrl A, click on insert. Click on this icon, that is your dialog box. Then click on your all charts bar, not clustered, you have to go for stack bar. Once that is done, you can say OK. So it will look like this. I'll just place it down somewhere here. I'm just making the adjustment, then making the size a little bigger of my graph. Okay. So once you've done this much, then you can come over here, chart design. There's an option called as select data. So just click on select data. So here you have to do two things has to be adjusted over here. One is your A dummy. Just click on A dummy like this. Click on this arrow sign and move this A dummy above story. So just click on this arrow sign to move up. This is to move down. This is to move up. And then this series name is there. This has to come between store A and store B. So these two things has to be adjusted over here. So this has I made an adjustment. One is your A dummy, you push it on top on first, and series name should be between store A and store B. That is done, then you can say OK. So some adjustment has been done in my this graph of mine. After that, what you must do is click on this green color, this light green, click, so entire thing has got selected. Click on this format option, shape fill, and say no fill. So that color will go from here. And same thing you do with this purple also. On the right hand side, click on your format option, shape fill, and this also you say no fill. That color is gone. And click on this middle blue. Click on the middle blue color. Again click on format, shape fill, and say no fill. So the three colors you have to remove from here. Once that is done, just click outside. It will look something like this, but there's a problem. My keyboard is coming down actually. Actually, it should be laptop should see laptop is coming down. So laptop should be on top and keyboard should see this has to be adjusted, ordered. So you click on this format access. This is your format access. Right click, format access. And there's an option called as categorize in reverse order. So just tick mark that option. I can close this. See, now it's come proper. And then these all things which are not required you can remove. I just want store A and store B. Remaining things I don't require. Double click. Like for example, A dummy is there, no? Double click. Click twice. And delete from my keyboard. Store A I want. Series name I don't want it. Double click again. Delete. The B dummy also I don't want. Double click. Delete. Then you can click down over here. This is your legend. Home option you can come. Size you can make it a little bigger. Then you can drag it and you can also click outside. Once done, click outside. Click and drag it. Place it on the right hand side. So how you want it, you can adjust it like this. Okay. So once you done this much, that's okay, fine. But I want these names are there. No? As you can see that this is the middle, this gap is there. No? This is that 45 which I'm talking about. That is called as a padding. So you should give a gap of 45 only so that it gets adjusted automatically. Don't give more than 45 or less than 45. Otherwise it will not look like a butterfly chart or a Toronto chart. That is what we are doing now actually. These names are there. This should be appearing over here. So you just click inside here like this. So you get a box style like this. Click on this icon, plus sign, that is your chart elements. Click on data labels. So when you click on data labels, you get 45 here. That value what I have written on top here, 45, that will come over here. Just click outside. But I don't want this 45, I want these names to come here. So you click on this 45, right click, format data labels. There's a tick mark, you have to tick mark over here, category name. So just tick mark on category name. So you get all your category names. See. But this 45 also is there. I don't want this 45. So remove this value ka tick mark. Don't remove the tick mark of value first. First you tick mark on category name and then value. And then close this thing. I don't require this element. This also you can make it size a little bigger. Home option you can, it's already selected. If I click outside, it's not selected. Click. I can click on your home tab. Size you can make it bigger. Now this is not required. The sidecar format access, click and delete from keyboard. So that is gone. Then I just want to show the values also on this bar. You can click on the bar, click on over here plus sign, chart elements, data labels. It will show you the values also. Same thing with this bar also, data labels. So both these options mean you have the values. So similar thing, I just want to make this bar a little bigger actually because the size is too small. Bar, click on this blue bar, right click and come here, format data series, and there's an option called as gap fix. At the moment it's showing 150. If I make it more now, it will become less actually. See, it will become thin. So you should drag a little less like this. I'm just making it 19%. You can see how much you want. Make it less, but see, I can close it. So it's come now. You can change the color of this text. Click home option, that is the labels. Take the color, which color you want. Size also I can make it a little bigger. I'm just making little size bigger, that is 14. Same thing I'm doing over here also. Click home option, color you take which color you want. Size also making it a little bigger. So in my final output, it should be looking like something like this about your Toronto butterfly chart. So if you like this video, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.